Today I'll be teaching you how to make patches with your Ankara or any fabric that have beautiful design without the edge losing. So I'll be teaching you how to cut out this flower, this pattern without the edge losing after sewing. So you need your beautiful fabric that have a beautiful design on it. Of course, you need your interfacing. Then you need your soldering iron. I have ironed the interfacing on the fabric. I told you the gum stay the other time that I showed you the interfacing. You iron it at the back of the fabric. I've ironed it, and I've already plugged my soldering iron. I plugged it more than 10 minutes and it is hot, very hot. Please do not put it on top of your table or plastic. It will burn it. You can see how I did it. Don't let the iron to touch your table or anything. If not, it will burn it. All right, so my soldering iron is hot already, so I'll just use it. I'll just use it to cut out the appliques. All right, so my soldering iron is hot already, so I want to use it on the appliques now. Use it to draw on the appliques. I use it to draw through the line. Can you see? Please, can you see? It's cutting the fabric now. Can you see? Use it like pencil. Can you see it's cutting the fabric? I told you the soldering iron should be hot. And you can see I placed it on a plank, a flat surface that is of wood, so that it will not burn my table. Can you see how it's cutting it? You must not turn your fabric the way I'm turning it to. That's how I can turn it for me to cut it. Can turn it to cut it very well. Can you see it? That's how you used to cut whatever shape that you want. You use it to cut it, and it will cut out. So make sure your soldering iron is plugged. All right, so you use it to cut it whatever shape. Please don't hold the iron. Don't hold this. Touch this iron. It will burn you. So you cut out the shape that you want. Then you see that. Then you pull it out. So I'm through with the cutting of the appliques. So you can pull it out. You can pull it out. You can pull it out. Sorry about that. You can pull it out. Can you see that my design is ready? Is ready. And you can see that the edge is very smooth. There's no way I'm going to sew this on my shirt or my bag or whatever design I want to make use of and make with it. There's no way you see that the edge will lose. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Be Creative Ideas, and also don't forget to put on the subscription a notification button, so whenever I put on new videos, you'll be alerted and you'll be able to view these new videos.